Okay, let's move on to question 26, where I need to draw 3 unit cubes using the dot paper. Now, okay, hang on, let me change the color. Okay, using the dot paper. Now I can't draw with a ruler here on the screen here, so I need you to really make sure that your lines are straight and the dots are connected to the dots. Do make sure that your lines are straight. Okay, so I need to draw 3 unit cubes. To do that, I need to draw one first, and this would be my. Okay, this is not good because you can't see. Okay, let's try this again. So I need to draw 1 unit cube. So this would be my top. Again, I try to be as straight as I can, but please make sure that yours is drawn with a ruler. Okay, so this would be my 1 unit cube. Okay, can you see 1 cube here? But the question asks me to draw 3. Let me draw 1 more. They're just stacking on top of one another. Again, I repeat, use a ruler. And the last one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's move on to question 27. The figure below is made up of a rectangle. Okay, so I know there's a rectangle here. And 3 identical equilateral triangles of size 6 centimeters. The breadth of the rectangle is 9 centimeters. I need to find what is the perimeter of the figure. So I know there's a rectangle here and there are 3 identical triangles here, which means they have equilateral, means that they have all equal lengths for their sides. So this is actually 6 centimeters because this is what given to us here, right? So and this is also 6 centimeters. I'm just writing out all that I know. So and I know this is 6 centimeters, which means this is the identical. That means this is also 6 centimeters. This is also 6 centimeters, and this is also 6 centimeters. Identical, so this is 6 centimeters as well. This is also 6 centimeters, and this is also 6 centimeters. Okay, so I know that information already. I also know that the breadth of the rectangle is 9 centimeters. Where's the breadth? Here. So this is 9 centimeters. This is also the breadth, which means this is 9 centimeters. Now, so I have all the information here already. Now, but the question is asking us to find what is the perimeter. Okay, first I need to identify what the perimeter is. So the perimeter is actually from here to here, 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 all the way here. Now the yellow part is actually my perimeter. So moving on, how do I find that? I know that this is, do I have any missing lines? No, right? This is 6, 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 this is 6. Now, so for this part here, it's actually 6 plus 6 plus 6, or I can actually take 6 times 6. Why? Because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. So it's actually 36. So I know that this whole jagged thing here is 36 centimeters. Moving on, this is 36. I know this is 9. Okay. And oh dear, what is this? Now I know that this is 6. Up to here, 6. And up to here is another 6. And here is another 6. So 6, 6, 6 will give me this whole thing as 18 centimeters. So I know that the perimeter is all this, which I will already figure out is 36 plus 9 plus this one, which is 18 plus the last here is 9. Okay, very quickly, if you work out everything, if you add it up, everything, you should be able to get 72. So the perimeter is 72 centimeters. Let's move on to question 28. A rectangular carpet is laid on a rectangular room measuring 10 meters by 4 meters. Actually, it's already given here, right? 10 meters by 4 meters. What is the area not covered by the by the carpet? So all the dimensions are given. So all not covered is actually this part, correct? The shaded part, correct? How to find the shaded part? First of all, we need to find the big rectangle, which is actually area 10 times 4 equals to 40. This is actually the area of the room floor, correct? Because you put a carpet on the floor, right? So it's actually this whole thing here. So you put a carpet there. So 6 times 2 equals 12. What is this? This is actually the area of the carpet. So the question is asking us what is the area not covered by the carpet? It's actually 40 minus 12. Let's take away this part, right? I only want the shaded part. And leaving me with 28. So my answer would be 28 square meters. Okay, let's move on. Okay, question 29. Donuts were sold in boxes of 6. Fionn spent $43.20 on 6 boxes of donuts. What is the cost of each donut? So I know that the donuts are sold in boxes of 6. What does boxes of 6 mean? It means that in one box, there are actually 6 donuts. Okay, and we know that she spent this amount on 6 boxes. So I need to find what is the cost of each donut. Now, I know that one box is 6 donuts. We know that he bought 6 boxes. First, let's find out how much does one box cost first, okay? Since we know that one box has 6 donuts. So I have $43.20 divided by 6. Okay, doing my working by the side, 43.20 divided by 6. 4 cannot divide by 6, so 0. 43 divided by 6 is 7. 42, and this will be 12. I'm wearing my dot here. 12 divided by 6 would be 2. And here is 0. Okay, so this is after division, this is 720, and I know that this is the cost of one box of donuts. Now I know it's one box, and I know that one box has 6 donuts. So to find the cost of one donut, I take the cost of 6 donuts. Because I know that one box here is how many? 6 donuts, correct? So $720 is actually for 6 donuts. So 720 divided by 6 will give me the cost of one donut. So again, doing my working, 720 divided by 6. So 1, 6. This is 12. Remember my dot. 12 is 2 minus 12 0. So 0. Oops, sorry. 0. So this is $1.20. This is the cost of one donut. 120. Okay, finally, let's move on to the last question. Marianne paid $280 for an equal number of yellow and red balls. Each yellow ball cost $2. Each red ball cost $1.20 less than the yellow ball. How many yellow balls did Marianne buy? Okay, so we know that for an equal number of the balls is actually $280. I know that each yellow ball cost $2 and each red ball cost $1.20 less. I need to find how many yellow balls she bought. Okay, given our information, so I know that the yellow ball cost $2. The red ball cost $1.20 less. So I take $2 minus 120. I should actually get 80 cents. Okay, so yellow is $2, red is 80 cents. And I know that it's going to be equal number. So for every one yellow ball, she also has another one red yellow ball. So that means it comes in a set. Alright? One set is actually one yellow and one red. Okay, one yellow and one red would be $2 plus 80 cents, because $2 is the red, is the yellow, 80 cents is the red ball. One set will give me 280. Now, so if I take 280 divide by 280, I get 100. So I know that there are 100 sets of this. If I have 100 sets of this, it means that I have 100 yellow balls and 100 red balls, which give us the answer, the yellow balls. Actually, there are 100 yellow balls. Okay, we've come to the end. Hope you did well. Hope I made myself clear. Thank you very much for listening. Bye-bye.